Happy story time!
Can pumpkins have a special home? Once upon a time, in a colorful autumn forest, there lived 3 friendly pumpkins named Bryn, Ellis, and Chuck. They were very excited because it was their favorite season, fall. The trees wore their prettiest red, orange, and yellow coats, and the air smelled like cinnamon and apples. Ellis was the adventurous one. He loved climbing the tallest trees and jumping in big piles of crunchy leaves. Bryn, on the other hand, was a little artist. She liked to paint the falling leaves with shades of orange and red. Chuck, the smallest of them all, had a big sweet tooth. He adored eating delicious pumpkin pies and sipping warm apple cider. On a bright, cheerful morning, the 3 pumpkins decided to go on an adventure together. They were curious to explore the world beyond their cozy pumpkin patch. So off they rolled, bouncing and giggling into the forest. As they rolled along, they noticed the ground was completely covered in squishy, gooey mud. Squelch, squelch, squelch went their little pumpkin feet. "Ew, this mud feels funny," giggled Chuck. They soon reached a sparkling stream. The water danced and glistened in the sunlight. Ellis, being the adventurer, decided to hop across the stones to the other side. Bryn was more cautious. She found a big leaf and used it as a boat to float across. Chuck, well, he just sat down on a rock and dipped his feet in the cool water, splashing everyone with giggles. Their adventure continued as they encountered a friendly squirrel named Stanley. Stanley had a bushy tail and loved collecting acorns. "Hello, Mr. Squirrel," greeted Ellis. "What are you doing?" "I'm gathering acorns for the winter," replied Stanley. "Would you like to help?" Ellis, always eager to try new things, climbed the tree and started picking acorns with Stanley. Bryn, being the artistic pumpkin, painted little smiley faces on the acorns with her orange paint. Chuck, with his sweet tooth, couldn't resist trying to nibble on one. After a fun-filled day, the pumpkins decided it was time to go to their patch. They thanked Stanley for the adventure and headed back home. The sun was setting, radiating a warm orange glow all around them. Finally, they reached their pumpkin patch and realized their adventure gave them an extra special appreciation for their home. They were so happy to be back among the familiar vines and leaves. That night, as the stars twinkled above, the 3 little pumpkins huddled together, sharing their favorite parts of the day. Ellis talked about the tall trees he had climbed. Bryn proudly displayed her acorns adorned with vibrant smiles. And Chuck, with a rascally twinkle in his eye, confessed to sneaking a few acorns into his pumpkin belly. As they snuggled close, they realized something important. While adventures were thrilling and filled with surprises, there truly was no place like home. Home was where their vines and leaves wrapped around them like warm, loving hugs. Home was where they had each other, their dearest friends, to share every laugh and every joy. And so the three little pumpkins drifted off to sleep, their hearts filled with the knowledge that amid all the wonders of the world, there was truly no place like the cozy embrace of their pumpkin patch, where love and friendship flourished under the starry autumn sky. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.